How would you like to learn how to build, grow, scale, and market an online fitness business from scratch? I'm talking about the nitty-gritty, down to the bottom, building all the way up to the top, and then riding it to the absolute moon. Hi, my name is Michael Coovadia, and in my lifetime, from the age of 20 right through until 26, I've been fascinated with learning about this industry, learning about the customers in this industry, learning about what people want, and then giving it to them. I've built 2 global fitness businesses that serve clients around the entire world. And now, with my vast experience and knowledge, I'm right here to teach you exactly how to do that. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, well, if he's done that, why would he want to teach me? Well, I believe in helping people up the ladder of success because there's no point being at the top by yourself, right? True leaders don't create, followers. True leaders create more leaders. I truly do believe that if I can create more fitness professionals that are more able to provide for themselves, are more able to provide for their clients, and are able to have true lives of financial freedom, just like I have for myself, then I have truly, accomplished my life's purpose. Now, all of this sounds really great, right? So what's the catch? There's absolutely no catch at all. I need to congratulate you to begin with, because you've taken the initiative to download my free ebook, which gives you 7 guaranteed steps to get 35% more clients in the next few days, right? All you have to do is go ahead and implement every single thing that I've taught you in the ebook and watch how your business flourishes. But now, I'm about to take you to the fucking moon. Because in the next 60 days, I am going to give you the step-by-step, detailed knowledge of how to grow, build, market, and scale an online fitness business. So whether you are a fitness professional, such as a personal trainer, yoga instructor, biokineticist, whoever you are in the fitness industry, this is for you. If you have a surplus of clients, but can't grow your income any further, can't scale your business any further because of time constraints, then this is for you. I'm going to teach you how to automate the entire system, how to automate the entire process so that you can get more people coming in and you can serve more people on a global basis. I'm going to teach you how to take your income levels through the roof, and I'm going to teach you how to market yourself so effectively that you'll have a torrential downpour of clients flooding your business. Now, you might be thinking, but what if I'm not a successful fitness trainer? What if I'm not a successful fitness professional and I'm just starting out? Well, this will be even more valuable to you because from day one, I'm going to teach you everything that I've learned 5-6 years ago that brought me to this present moment in time. I'm going to be teaching you how to scale a business, how to put the automations in place that's going to help you work more, but by doing less, because you'll focus on the 20% of everything that brings 80% of the results. And everything else we'll leave to automation and machines to do the rest. I'm going to teach you how to market yourself and your business more effectively. So say goodbye to Facebook, say goodbye to Instagram, and hello to a new way of advertising that is going to take your business through the roof and bring more clients than your calendar can handle. But more than just that, I'm going to teach you how to build a sustainable fitness business. Because truth be told, in this industry, most fitness professionals have fitness businesses like a roller coaster. 1 month they have high income levels, the next month low. 1 month high, 1 month low. And truth be told, it fluctuates with the seasons, right? Look at me on the other hand. I am able to build my business on a sustainable basis throughout any given season. COVID-proof, winter-proof, you name it, we've done it, we've been through it, we've beat it, and I'm right here today to teach you how to do the same. Now, you might be thinking, what is this going to cost me? Is he going to charge me something like this? Probably sounds so great, like a premium investment. And yeah, you're right. We actually have a 9-week course that teaches you how to do all these things completely in depth, step by step along the process. And that does require a premium investment. But today, right now, I've decided to do something for you completely for free. There's no catch at all. Now, 2 things are going to happen, right? You're going to receive an email with the 7 guaranteed steps to grow your business by 35%. So keep an eye out on your mailbox. But also, at 7 p.m. tonight, or whenever you're watching this, at 7 p.m. at that point in the day, right? You are going to receive the very first email to this email course. completely for free over the next 30 days. Building, growing, scaling, marketing, and, basically economy proofing your fitness business. That's exactly what I'm going to be teaching you how to do. I travel the entire world, working with clients around the entire globe. I help fitness professionals just like you do exactly the same. And all you have to do to learn the step-by-step process in order to be able to do that is keep an eye out on your emails, because every single day at 7 p.m. you'll be receiving one email from me teaching you something. You implement it and you move forward. And that will happen for 30 days straight. At the end of the 30-day period, you'll have an online business. You'll be able to decide whether you want to work with us in our premium course or not. And, if not, you'll have more knowledge than you started with. So you're absolutely not losing anything at all, and neither am I. Because I'm helping you build your business, bringing it online. And even if you have an online business, I'm helping you fortify it and take it to the next level. Because I can guarantee one thing to you right now. Even if you have a website, for those of you who are so-called experts in this field, right? How many clients does that website bring to you? Absolutely none at all. Because it's one thing having a website, but it's a completely new ballgame, bringing a huge amount of traffic to that website and converting them into high-paying clients. Because at the end of the day, in this specific industry, in this game that we love called fitness, clients equals growth. And I'm going to teach you how to grow your business. So keep an eye out for my email. Keep an eye out for my email tonight at 7 p.m. And be sure to move my emails from spam or your promotional folder to your inbox. And if you need to know how to do that, you'll find instructions in my email. Now, this email course is going to be an email that you can read, and you're going to get a video just like this, where I'll be demonstrating specific things about growing, building, scaling, or marketing your fitness business that is bound to take you forward for 30 days straight. Trust me, if you've been waiting for a sign, if you've been feeling like you need to give up because this is not for you, then I'm telling you, wait until these 30 days are over and then reassess everything you've ever been taught before. Because what I'm about to teach you is about to blow your business up. And all you need to do is just sit back, relax, and wait for my emails. Once you get the emails, make sure to do the work, because only once you do the work will you get the desired outcome. And last but not least, I know that most of you are going to be so fired up after watching this video, and you're going to want to take action immediately. You're not going to want to wait for the next 30 days. So if that is you, then scroll right down to the bottom of this page and click on the button to book a call with one of my team members right now, and we'll speed up this entire process for you. What are you waiting for, fitness professional? The best part of your life starts today. Go out, enjoy it, and get ready to succeed further than your wildest dreams and far beyond anything you've ever imagined before. Welcome to the evolution of the fitness industry.